Like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another on feet look. This time is going to be of the super dope, very underrated in my opinion, Air Jordan 4 Maniere while you were sleeping. These shoes are fire, and I expected people to, honestly, I expected them to go up in resale. I expected people to go crazy for these, and it was the complete opposite. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it, man. You guys have been killing it. We are on our race to 20K, and guess what? We almost there, y'all. I greatly appreciate it. Now, starting out with this sneaker, I will say this. This is probably going to be one of the best fours to drop this year. I can truly, honestly say that. I know a lot of people say that sometimes, and you're just like, we hear that a lot. But I truly say that when it comes to packaging, as you guys can see back here, packaging is dope and everything. This sneaker is just off the hook, in my opinion. But let's go ahead and get off into this review. As you look at the outer left side of this sneaker, you have the Jordan 4, typical Jordan 4. It's in like this light neutral colorway that the Maniere brand has been using a lot of, and it's kind of, it has like a purple hue to it, like almost like a pink hue to it, but it's not, it's very subtle. You feel what I'm saying? But as you guys can see here on the midsole, it is that sail colorway on the midsole. We have black right here. They did give us the actual thick plastic hang tag right here, and on the inside of that, it is the Nike Air, and then you have the Maniere branding right here. That'll all come off the sneaker. But the Cajun, as you can see here, they did give us this furry thick suede right here. I'm not a big fan of that, but then the toe box is not like that. On the left one, you do have the Maniere branding on the tongue, and then on the right one, you have the Jumpman logo right there, and it's a patch. These tongues are very thin. They're not super thick. The patches remind me of the Off-White Air Jordan 4s. We have this color laces in here, but we also have two sets of laces, and I'll show you guys that as well. As we look at the right side of the sneaker, exact same thing. It's got the Air unit there. On the back end, we do have the Nike Air branding on the back end, as you guys can see right here. The Nike Air branding on the bottom with that dark brown colorway and the vintage colorway as well. Overall, the sneaker is super clean. The sock liner, everything on the sneaker, I'll show you guys whenever I get a closer look of the sneaker at the end of the video, how they did give you that premium material when it comes to that. As far as comfortability and sizing, let's start with sizing. Go your traditional size that you go with all Air Jordan 4s. I feel like since the SB4s dropped, it's kind of been like the same thing. So whatever you have got in an Air Jordan 4 in the last 2 years, I would say go with that size. You can't go wrong. If you haven't purchased the Air Jordan 4 in a while or ever, true to size or half a size up. But I'm going to say true to size, you'll be perfectly fine if you get an Air Jordan 4. Now, as far as comfortability, the Jordan 4s have advanced when it comes to comfortability since the SB. So I would say comfortability on these are at 8. I like the extra padding that they have put into the Jordan 4s. So you can't go wrong with that. As we look at the inner side of the sneaker, I forgot to show you guys that. That's what the inner side of the sneaker look like as well. But overall, aesthetically, I think this is a great sneaker. I feel like this is a sneaker that was executed very well. The material on it is nice, super quality, and I feel like overall this is a 8.5 out of 10 sneaker. And price point was $225, but the thing is that they're still available. So if you're looking for this sneaker, you can definitely get it at a good price. You can add it to your collection. But y'all let me know down below. Great meaning behind these things. I have a detailed review already up of these sneakers to go a little bit more into the story and stuff like that. So make sure you guys check that out. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box and a closer look at the sneaker, and we're gonna close out this video. All right, so when it comes to boxing, this packaging is super dope. It's the trifold box. As you guys see right here, you got my Maniere logo right there. Open it up, it's gonna give you this thick paper that comes in there. You got the branding right here on the top of the box as well. White paper, inserts, and they do give you the 2 sets of laces, extra laces. You have your white set of laces, and then you have the sail colorway, and I think the sail colorway will be actually the toughest in the sneaker. But that is it for the box. So as we wrap up the video, just like I said, just some details I want to show you on the actual sneaker. They're just super clean. Material is really, really good when it comes to this sneaker. As you guys can see on the back, of course, that Nike branding. And then the sock liner, man, is super plush. Look at that. It has that satin silk material, like a nice casket, man. It's like you putting, if you're going to put something nice on your feet, like a Cadillac nice. You feel what I'm saying? So super nice. The material on the toe box, as you guys can see right there, super good. Not bad. I don't like that plush material, but I just feel like as far as the suede and nubuck, they did give you some good material with the laces and everything like that. Back end of the tongue, Jordan 4s, that's what we look like. But overall, man, just a super clean sneaker. Y'all let me know if y'all were able to hit on these things. If this is something that you add to your collection. Did you get them on release day, or did you sit around wait where you be able to get them at a discounted price? Just a great time to be a sneakerhead. But that's all I got for you guys. Comment down below and let me know. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Anything that we talk about on this channel, including this sneaker right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all later. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.